Good morning, followers. So, about a week or so, maybe 2 weeks ago, I ordered a transformer. Originally, I was going to order myself a Plytron, but they don't sell to you unless you buy 100 of them. As a DIY guy, I really like the Plytron ones. There's one right there. Really good stuff. Worth the money. I know they're more expensive, but they're just premium. They're good. But they won't sell to people like me or other guys that are doing audio projects when they only want maybe 2 or 3, maybe 1. They basically said in the email, go F yourself. Unless you buy lots, go away. So, I ordered a transformer from Antek, and I've ordered them before. I've got them in my Elfs over here, and I got one in another amplifier in the other room. They work great. They're beautiful. They're nice. So I thought, I'm going to order them from these guys. I spent a good 2 hours Googling and looking around online to find other places that would sell transformers. There really isn't any. So, today's video is about Antek and how good the service was. I've never talked to them. I've only emailed them, and usually it's about, sometimes it's quick, sometimes it's like a day to get back, but their responses have been perfect. Good job, guys. So I'm going to highly recommend them from that so far. I phoned them up and said, hey, I want to buy a transformer. I was unsure of a spec that was on the website there. I was like, I'm looking about buying an 800 VA later on, and I see it's got 4 outputs. And the guy's like, oh, no, we can make it different ways. So I didn't want 4, I just wanted 2 secondaries. No problem. So I said, I'll place an order. So down here, it's a heavy box. We got a transformer. In here is a 500 VA 18018 transformer from Antek. And so I got it. I was like, I opened it up. I was like, holy, this thing's packaged really well. I thought, forget it, close it back up. I'm gonna do a video on it. Okay. So, I only opened it up enough to see what was inside the box, and I wanted to show you guys how good of the quality of the packaging was and what it looks like from my perspective. It's just transformer, but I understand that. But I didn't see any videos on YouTube of how well they're packaged and how quick it came. There was brokerage fees, of course. Anything over a certain amount of money they charge you. I think mine was like 12 bucks. Big deal. So all in all, this transformer was $67 US. Shipping and duties and all that stuff, I think I paid $110 Canadian because our dollar sucks. So, let's get into it. I've already opened the box so we can look inside. But as you could tell, it's boxed really well. And it made it all the way from, I think they're in California or somewhere far away over there. Like far away from where I am right now. And I'm on an island. So it made it. And like the detail of how they placed it in this box is perfect. So I like that. Lots of cardboard, lots of packaging. I see, so here's the main transformer right here. It's in a smaller box. And then we got a shipping label from them to me. Yeah, it was 105 US for everything. With shipping was $48 US, so I mean that's kind of expensive, but shipping rates are gone up so much, so I'm kind of not surprised, but I'm happy with that. I mean, if I was to buy this same plant transformer from Plytron, I would have been 200 bucks. So good on them for that. There's nothing else in the box other than it's really well packaged. Like, that's awesome. Good to see. I was kind of hoping not to get a transformer that was broken, and they succeeded. So good job, guys. Thank you. I hope you guys watch this video and give me a little thumbs up. So this one says AN 5218. So I'm going to assume that's Antek, 500 VA, 2 outputs at 18 volts. So 2 times 18. I guessed at that. Didn't even have to look it up. Let's have a look inside of here. So this transformer is going to go for my L5. Of course, I grabbed the dullest knife in the world to open this box. It's going to go with my L5 power supply or amplifier. And wow, comes in a nice baggie too. Wow, that is nice. I got their older version. I don't think I have their newer version on my desk here. I got their, yeah, this is a new version. My old version doesn't look like this. This looks really, really nice. I'm so happy, impressed with this. That's nice. Look at that, eh? Oh, and the leads are nice and soft. It's not really hard wire. Oh, that's amazing. Look at that. It even comes with the center mounting hardware. I'm pretty happy. Look at that. AN5218. Yeah. So, there she is. I know some guys would be like, wow, you're opening up a transformer, but here it is. I said the main point of the video was to show how packaging was and the quality. I'm really happy with this. The only thing I might message them and say is if they have the time and if they want to, is put in some documentation and what the windings mean. So I mean, it's probably written on here. Is it? Yes, it's on here. I like a piece of paper, but I mean, I can go over to my printer and print it off. That's fine. But yeah, that's really nice. I can't wait to put that into my chassis and build my power supply. There's a video right there, or power supply is right there. Can't wait to do that. That's gonna be sweet. Nice. Okay, so pretty basic video. I know it's nothing major, but the next video that's coming up about power supply, you're gonna like that. So like and subscribe, I hope. My channel's growing. If you have any ideas of what other content you want me to review and put up, let me know. But I'm signing off for today because I'm gonna go hook this up and test it with the new power supply board and then start that video. So you guys have a great day. I'm gonna have a good day. Check you later.